without further ado, we're gonna welcome Dylan to the stage!
My name is Dylan Mendes. I'm a youth speaker and social entrepreneur, and I inspire students to make an impact in their communities.
The best speak of this entire conference.
As a high school student, I could relate to a lot of the things that Dylan said.
And it's one of the most impactful presentations I've ever had.
This all really started when I was 17 years old, and my buddy and I started a community initiative called Pick Waste. The initiative was focused on encouraging and inviting young people to come out to the community and start picking up litter. We later grew the initiative to over 3 cities across Canada, filling over 2,500 bags of litter, and the initiative got featured on Canadian national news. Throughout this journey, I started speaking to students to get volunteers to come out to our initiative, but I realized that I had a bigger message that I wanted to share, to inspire other students to make an impact in their community, trying to solve a problem that they themselves are passionate about, using Pick Waste as an example. You see, I realized due to my young age that I can really relate to what students are going through.
He showed us that a strong mindset can be developed at a very young age.
Working with Dylan was excellent. He's very professional. He is very quick to respond. He is full of ideas and very passionate about his causes. Shortly after his talk, when I was out walking around, the students are already talking about things that they can do, the small things they can do to have a large impact.
In my keynotes and workshops, I use humor to lure the students in to grasp their attention.
See, when Sean's fans would call, instead of saying, "Sean Mendes does not live here, please stop calling," I would take a deep breath from my diaphragm and say with the utmost conviction, "Yes?"
And they would say, "Oh my gosh, I'm talking to Sean Mendes!" And then I use the art of storytelling to keep them engaged throughout the keynote or the workshop or the training.
I gave him a call that night, and I said, "Look, if you do this by yourself, you're not gonna get much done. But what if we partner together?" I know it sounds crazy. What if we partner together, host weekly cleanups for 1 hour, once a week, in our local community, just to give back and see where it goes?
And then I use my personal research to drive home that final message, which is the call to action.
One of the brain's goals is to protect us from anything that's harmful. So the minute our mind sees something that's even a little bit scary or fearful, we say, "Whoa, back up, not today."
Slowly exposing ourselves to little bits of uncomfort consistently actually helps us as student leaders to step up when uncomfortable decisions or actions need to be made.
If you feel like I would be a good fit for your event, I would love to get in touch. Take care. Talk soon.